Hey everyone, I'm Kevin. Welcome back to Kevin's Classroom. We'll start learning Hindi today. For today's video, we'll try to learn various words and phrases used in the following scene from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I've selected a small clip in which two lead characters are having a conversation. We'll go through the video slowly and I'll tell you the things which we can learn. So let's begin.
पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी ये सब करने में, बाकी सब कब करोगे?
So here, Naina says a sentence. पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी ये सब करने में, बाकी सब कब करोगे? Which means your whole life will be spent in doing all this. When will you do everything else? Looking at it word by word, पूरी जिंदगी means whole life. पूरी is whole and zindagi is life. We may note pura also means whole, but it is used for male subject and the word zindagi is considered a female. Why is it so? Why is zindagi female? Is there a rule for deciding the gender of objects in Hindi? Well, frankly speaking, I don't know if there's any rule, but I'm sure with practice you'll get to understand how to decide the gender of objects. Until then, since you are a new learner, a little mess up with the gender can be excused. There's not a problem if you say pura zindagi, but for now only. Now, ye sab means all this. Ye means this and sab means all. Next, karne mein. Karna means doing or to do and mein means in. So karne mein means in doing. Next, baki sab. Baki means remaining and as told earlier, sab means all. So baki sab means everything else. And as told earlier, karna is to do. So kab karoge means when will you do. I'm not going to discuss technical terms like tenses, voices, grammar and everything, but keep watching my videos and Bollywood movies for sure, and I'm sure you'll be fluent in spoken Hindi very soon. Okay, now proceeding.
बाकी सब क्या 22 तक पढ़ाई 25 पे नौकरी 26 पे छोकरी 30 पे बच्चे 60 पे रिटायरमेंट और फिर मौत का इंतजार दत्त ऐसे घिसी पिटी लाइफ थोड़ी जीना चाहता हूं.
So here Bunny says, बाकी सब क्या 22 तक पढ़ाई 25 पे नौकरी 26 पे छोकरी 30 पे बच्चे 60 पे रिटायरमेंट और फिर मौत का इंतज़ार. दत्त ऐसी घिसी पिटी लाइफ थोड़ी जीना चाहता हूँ मैं. Which means what everything else. Study till 22, job at 25, girl at 26, children at 30, retirement at 60 and then wait for death. That like I want to live this kind of a worn out life. Looking at it word by word, you already know what's baki sab. Here we see usage of various numbers which represent ages that you obviously know. Now 22 is 22, 25 is 25, 26 is 26 and so on. Go to the link in the description to learn counting in Hindi and stick around till the end of the video for a bonus Hindi tip. Now coming back to Bunny. Padhai means studies, Naukri means job, Chokri is a slang word used to represent girl, Bacche means children and yes, retirement is called sannyas in Hindi. Intezar means wait and maut means death. Tak means until and pe means at. The usage of subject and verb is a little different in Hindi as compared to English, but with practice you'll get to know it. Now, moving forward, aisi means like this. Ghisi piti is used to represent boring over here. It is usually used to represent old, worn out things. Jeena means to live and chahta hu means want to. You may note that all the adjectives or verb used for zindagi end with an e sound and the adjectives or verbs for Bunny himself end with a sound. That is because of the male and female gender role in the Hindi language. E sound is for female and A sound is for male. Now proceeding.
तो फिर तुम क्या चाहती हो लाइफ से बनी?
Okay, so here Naina says, तो फिर तुम क्या चाहते हो लाइफ से बनी? which means, then what do you want from your life, Bunny? तो फिर means then. तुम means you. क्या means what. चाहना is to want. So चाहते हो means to want. Life से means from life. Yes, you guessed it right. Say here means from. Now proceeding.
रफ्तार, पागलपन, हर दिन इतना धमाकेदार होना कि मुझे अपनी दिल की धड़कनें अपनी कानों तक सुनाई दे.
Here Bunny says, रफ्तार, पागलपन, हर दिन इतना धमाकेदार हो कि मुझे अपनी धड़कनें अपने कानों तक सुनाई दे. Which means speed, madness. Every day be so awesome that I get to hear my heartbeat in my ears. Going word by word, raftar means speed. Pagalpan means madness. Pagal means mad and pan in Hindi plays the same role as ness in English. Har din means every day. Itna means this much. Dhamakedar means awesome or adventurous. Dhadkane means heartbeats. Kaan is ears. Sunai de means to be heard. Other small words were previously covered. I'm sure you remember. Now proceeding.
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूं नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूं, गिरना भी चाहता हूं, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता.
Okay, so here Bunny continues. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. Which means I want to fly नैना, I want to run, I want to fall too, just don't want to stop. In the sentence, we have covered most things already. What we have not covered is udna, which means to fly, daudna, which means to run, girna means to fall, bhi means to, rukna means to stop. Ha and nahi are yes and no in Hindi. Now proceeding.
जैसे कि ये पहाड़ चढ़ना तुम्हारे लिए शायद ये सिर्फ ट्रैकिंग हो, मेरे लिए नशा है. कुछ ज्यादा हो गया ना?
So Bunny continues, जैसे कि ये पहाड़ चढ़ना तुम्हारे लिए ये शायद सिर्फ ट्रैकिंग है, मेरे लिए नशा है. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया ना? Which means like climbing this mountain. For you, this might be just trekking. For me, it's an addiction. Got a little over, right? Here, pahad means mountain. Chadhna means to climb. Tumhare liye means for you. Shayad means maybe. Sirf means only. Mere liye means for me. And nasha means addiction. Yes, you guessed it right. Liye is for. बहुत ज़्यादा means very much and हो गया means happened. And then both of them smile. Now since you sticked around till the end, here's the bonus tip. When you see the Hindi alphabet, you'll see there are many sounds which are not present in the English language like ta, tha, dha and many more. Go to the link in the description for learning more about the Hindi alphabet. If you learned something, like the video. If you like my way of teaching, leave a comment saying हाँ मुझे अच्छा लगा, which means yes, I liked it. That's all for today. That was Kevin. Thank you for watching Kevin's Classroom.